The hydration kinetics and coagulation characteristics of desulfurized gypsum are consistent with those of natural gypsum, both of which are non-radioactive and not harmful to health. Desulfurization gypsum ball press. Reasonable structure, smooth operation, low energy consumption. Vulnerable parts: roller selection of high-quality chromium alloy steel forgings after strict heat treatment and fine machining, with high-strength performance and easy off-the-ball. Ball and socket specifications and shape can be customized according to user requirements or use. The main structure of the transmiss, the corresponding position of the ball groove of the roller sleeve, hydraulic system and electronic control, and other parts of the desulfurized gypsum ball pressing machine are made of screw feeding device. Screw feeding device is driven by the speed regulating motor, driven by the pulley reducer. The material is forced into the feed port. Desulfurized gypsum ball pressing machine has a protective device. Not only can protect the normal operation of the machine, but also can protect the machine operator.